Hello guys, welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel.
So hello everyone, now this is the part 4 from the exercise 16.3. For the previous 3 part, please check the description box, the link will be there. And in this video, I'm going to start from sum number 26. So here in the adjoining figure, ABCD is a square. Okay, find the ratio between the circumference and the area of the in circle and the circumcircle of the square. Okay, so as here ABCD is a square, so definitely here the side of the square, that means AB or BC, you can write down anyone. AB is the diameter of the in circle. Okay, so here the diameter of the in circle, suppose this one as 2r1, that one equal to here AB, and as here AB, suppose AB here x, so 2r1 equal to x, that means r1 equal to x by 2. Okay, and here the diagonal of the square, you know that the diagonal of the square is root 2x, that one equal to here 2 capital R1. Capital R1 is the radius, okay, of the circumcircle. Capital R1 is the radius of the circumcircle and small r1 is the radius of the incircle. So here r1 equal to root 2x by 2, that means here x by root 2. Now we have to find out the circumference. So here 2 pi r1 equal to 2 into pi into r1, means here x by 2, then 2 cancel out, so here pi x, and here 2 pi r1 equal to 2 into pi into x by root 2, that means here it's cancel out, so here root 2 pi x. So first you have to find out the ratio of this one. So here 2 pi r1 is to 2 pi r2, that one equal to here pi x is to root 2 pi x, so that means 1 is to root 2. Okay, so 1 is to root 2 is the first answer. Now the next one, the areas of the in circle and the circumcircle of the square. So here the area is pi r1 square is to pi r, sorry, it's capital R1, capital R1 square. So here pi R1 square means here x by 2 whole square. Here also pi and capital R1 means x by root 2 whole square. So pi cancel out, here x square by 4 is to here x square by 2. That means here 1 by 4 is to 1 by 2. So that means if you multiply 4, so 1 is to 2. Okay, so 1 is to 2 is your final answer. Now next, sum number 27. So here sum number 27a, the figure 1 given below shows a running track surrounding a grass enclosure PQRST. Okay, U. PQRSTU. The enclosure consists of a rectangle PQST. Okay, so here PQST is a rectangle with a semicircular region at each end. Okay, now PQ, here PQ equal to 200 meter. Okay, and PT equal to here 70 meter. So that means here the length of the rectangle equal to 200 and the breadth of the rectangle equal to here 70 meter. Calculate the area of the grassed enclosure in meter square, given that the tract of constant with a 7 meter. Calculate the outer perimeter of A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, so first here you have to find out the area of the rectangle. So here the area of rectangle means here PQST, that one equal to here 200 into 70 and here 14,000 meter square. Okay, now the radius of each semicircular part on either side of the rectangle. So as here this one, This one is 70, total 1. So that means radius of the semicircular here. So radius equal to 70 by 2, that one equal to here 35 meter. Okay, so that means area of both semicircular parts. So area of both semicircular parts, that one equal to here half pi r square into 2. Okay, as here 2 semicircle, that's why multiply with 2. So 22 by 7, here 2 cancel out, r square means here 35, again 35 meter square. So 75, so that one equal to here 3850 meter square. Okay, so that means here total area of crust enclosed. So total area equal to here 14,000 plus 3850, that one equal to here 17850 meter square as the first answer. Now next one, given that the track of a constant with 7 meter, calculate the outer perimeter of ABCDEF. So here the outer length, that one equal to here 200 meter, no changes will be there, but outer breadth equal to here 70, not 20, 70 plus 2 into 7. Okay, so that means here 84. So that means here outer radius equal to here 84 by 2, that one equal to here 42 meter. Okay, so now you have to find out the circumference of both semicircular part. So here the circumference formula, it's 2 pi r, that means pi r into 2, because here 2 semicircle. So pi r into 2, that means here 2 into 22 by 7 and here into 42. So that one equal to here 264 meter. Okay, so here outer perimeter equal to 264 plus 200 into 2 meter. So that one equal to here 664 meter. Okay, 664 meter is the outer perimeter. It is 27(1). Now the next one, 27b. In the figure 2 given below, the inside perimeter of a practice running track with semicircular ends and the straight parallel side is 312 meter. The length of the straight portion of the track is 90 meter. If the track has a uniform width of 2 meter throughout, find its area. Okay, so here the next one, here is the diagram. So here 27b. Now here the inside perimeter. Here the inside perimeter, that one equal to 312 meter. Okay, and here the total length of parallel side. Okay, write down here total length of parallel sides, that one equal to here 90 plus 90, that one equal to 180 meter. That means circumference of two semicircles, that one equal to here 312 minus 180. Okay, it's 132 meter. So suppose here 2 pi r. So here 2 pi r equal to 132. That means here r equal to 132 by 2 pi. Okay, so that means here 66 by 3.14, and that one equal to here 21.02 meter is the radius of the semicircle. Okay, so here the diameter equal to double of this one, so you can write down this one as 2 into 21.02 meter, so that one equal to here 42.04 meter. Okay, now here the width of track, that one equal to here 2 meter. So here outer diameter, that one equal to 42.04 plus 2 into 2, because both side, so that one equal to here 40, it's 46. 46.04 meter. Okay, so now the outer radius, so here the outer radius, that one equal to here half of this one, so 46 by 2, that one equal to here 23.02 meter. So here the inner radius is 21.02 and outer radius is 23.02. So here the new area, so here the area of the two semicircle, as here the formula is pi r square by 2, but two semicircles, so again multiply with 2, 2 cancel out, and here it's pi means 22 by 7, r square means here 23.02 whole square, and then meter square. Now that one equal to 3.14, and here you can write down 23.02, again 23.02 meter square. So that one equal to here 1663.95 meter square. That is the area of the two semicircles. Now here the area of the rectangle. So here the area of the rectangle equal to 90 into here 46.04, that means the diameter is the breadth of that rectangle. So it's 4143.6 meter square. Okay, so that means here total area. So total area equal to 1663.95 as the area of the semicircles, and here 4143.6 area of the rectangle, that one equal to here 5807.55 meter square. Okay, so that is here the total area. Now the area of two inner circles. So here the area of two inner circles, that one equal to here again 2 into half pi r square. Now in that case here r equal to 21.02, remember that. So here 2 cancel out, here 22 by 7 and here 21.02 square, and then here meter square. So that one equal to here 1387.38 meter square. Now next thing you have to find out the area of inner rectangle. The first one is outer, so here inner rectangle, that one equal to here the breadth equal to 42.04, so that one equal to here 3783.6 meter square. So now you have to find out the total inner area, total inner area, so that one equal to here 1387.38, then plus 3783.6 meter square, so it's 5170.98 meter square. So that is the outer one and that one is the inner one. So here the area of the path, you know the formula, outer one minus inner one. So 5807.55 minus 5170.98 meter square. So that one equal to here 636.7 meter square as your answer. Now next sum number 28. Here in sum number 28, 1, in the figure 1 given below, two circles with center A and B touch each other at the point C. If AC equal to 8, okay, so AC is the radius of the outer circle, and AB equal to 3. AC equal to 8, AB equal to 3. Okay. Find the area of the shaded region. Shaded region means that portion. You have to find out the area of that portion. Okay, this portion is the shaded area. So, as here AC is the radius of the outer circle, and here BC is the radius of the inner circle. So here you can find out the value of BC. It's very easy, as here AC equal to 8 centimeter, AB equal to here 3 centimeter. So definitely here BC equal to AC minus AB, that means 8 minus 3, so it's 5 centimeter. Okay, so first you have to find out the area of the big circle or the outer circle. So here area of outer circle, that is here 8 is the radius, so that means here pi mean pi into 8 square, and here centimeter square. Okay, pi into 8 square. And the next one here, area of inner circle. Inner circle, that one equal to here pi into 5 square centimeter square. Okay, so now here the area of the shaded portion. Area of the shaded portion, here pi common, so 8 square minus 5 square centimeter square. Now pi means here 22 by 7, and here 64. 64 minus 25 centimeter square. Okay, so that means here 22 by 7 into 39 centimeter square. So here your answer 122.57 centimeter square. It's very easy. Now the next one, sum number 2. The quadrants shown in the figure given below are each of radius 7 centimeter. Calculate the area of the shaded portion. Okay, each of the radius here 7 centimeter. So first here you have to draw this one in this way. Okay, so here this portion is 7, this one equal to 7, that means 7 7 14. So here the square, here the side of the square, that one equal to here 14. Okay, so that is for sum number B. So here side of the square, that one equal to here 7 plus 7, that one equal to here 14 centimeter. Okay, 14 centimeter is the side of the square. So now, as here if you want to find out the area, so area of the square, that one equal to here 14 square, that means 196 here centimeter square. So now next thing is you have to find out the area of each quadrant. Okay, the area of each quadrant, and here the formula to find out the area of each quadrant, that is 1 by 4 pi r square. Pi r square is the area of total circle, and here the formula to find out the quadrant of a circle, that is 1 by 4 pi r square. Now how many quadrants are there? Total 4 quadrants are there. So here area of 4 quadrants, that will equal to 4 into 1 by 4 pi r square. Okay, so here 4 cancel out, pi means 22 by 7, r means here 7 into 7, 7 cancel out, so 154 centimeter square. Now here the area of the shaded region, so area of the shaded region, that one equal to 196 minus 154 centimeter square, that one equal to here 42 centimeter square as your answer. Now next, sum number 29. In the figure 1 given below, two circular flower beds have been shown on the two sides of a square lawn. A, B, C, D of side 56, okay, meter. If the center of each circular flower bed is the point of intersection O of the diagonals of the square lawn, find the sum of the areas of the square lawn and the flower beds. So as here ABCD is a square, so here you can find out the area of ABCD, that one equal to here 56 whole square, so 3136 centimeter square. Clear? Now the diagonal of the square, that one equal to here 56 root 2 centimeter, and here the diagonal, the radius. Now here the radius of each quadrant, the radius of each quadrant, that is half of the diagonal. I repeat, the radius of each quadrant is half of the diagonal. Okay, so here you can write down radius of each quadrant, that one equal to here 56 root 2 by 2. It's half, that means here 28. So 28 root 2 centimeter. So here area of each segment, that one equal to here 1 by 4 pi r square. minus here area of triangle OBC. Okay, area of triangle OBC. So 1 by 4 pi r square minus area of triangle OBC. So as here 1 by 4 pi means here 22 by 7, r square means here 28 root 2, again 28 root 2. Now next here half into, as here square means 90 degree. Okay, each and every angle 90 degree. So here OBC, the diagonal of the square are always intersect perpendicularly. That means here OBC is a right angle triangle. So here you can write down the area of triangle OBC, that one equal to half into base into height. Base means here OB, OB means half of the diameter, that means 28 root 2, and height means also half of the diameter, that means again 28 root 2. Okay, so here if you common 28 root 2 whole square, then here it's 2, here it's 11, so that means here 11 by 14 minus half. Okay, 11 by 14 minus half, so that one equal to here 784, 784. Okay, 784 into 2, because 28 square means 784, root 2 square means 2, and here after subtraction you will get 4 by 14. Now 2 cancel out with this one, it becomes 7, and then I hope here your answer 448 centimeter square. Okay, 448 centimeter square. So here the area of two segments. So write down here area of two segments, that one equal to here 448 into 2, it's 896 centimeter. Okay, so total area of the lawn and the flower beds, that one equal to here 3136 plus 896, it 4032 centimeter square, your final answer. Now next one, sum number 29b. In the figure 2 given above, a square OABC, okay, is inscribed in a quadrant OPBQ of a circle where OA equal to 20 centimeter. That means here side of each square, okay, that means each side of the square, not side of each square, each side of the square is 20 centimeter. Okay, so that means here side of square, it's 20 centimeter. Okay, so now OB, here the diagonal, and here the diagonal is equal to the radius of the circle. I repeat, here the diagonal is equal to the radius of that quadrant or the circle. You can say that. So here diagonal equal to 20 root 2 centimeter. That means if R be the radius, so R equal to 20 root 2 centimeter. So now you have to find out the area of this shaded portion. That means this one and this one. Okay. So first here you have to find out the area of the square. So here AOCB, area equal to 20 square, that means here 400 centimeter square. And next thing you have to find out the area of the quadrant, that means OPBQ. So here 1 by 4, then here pi, then r square means 20 root 2, and again 20 root 2. Okay, so 1 by 4 pi 20 root 2, 20 root 2. So 1 by 4 pi means here 3.14, 20 root 2 into 20 root 2, it's 800. So 4 cancel out this one, 200. So that means here 628 centimeter square. Okay, 628 centimeter square. So here the area of shaded portion, that one equal to here 628 minus 400, it's very easy, here 228 centimeter square as your answer. Now next one, sum number 30. In the figure 1 given below, ABCD is a rectangle. Here AB equal to 14, AB equal to 14 centimeter, BC equal to 7 centimeter. Taking DC, BC, AB as diameters, three semicircles are drawn as shown in the figure. Find the area of the shaded portion. Okay, very good. So first here you have to find out. First here you have to find out the area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle. Here the name of rectangle is ABCD, and that one equal to here 14 into 7. It's 98 centimeter square. Okay, now here this one is a semicircle, that means this portion is a semicircle, and here the radius of that semicircle equal to 7 by 2. Here also this one is another semicircle. So if you want to find out the area of the two semicircles, that one equal to here, semicircle means pi r square by 2, and has here two semicircles, so multiply with 2. Pi means here 22 by 7, r square means here 7 by 2, and again 7 by 2. So here 7 cancel out, 2 cancel out, is 11, so that one equal to here 77 by 2. So that one equal to 38.5 centimeter square. Okay, now here you have to find out the area of this semicircle. Here DC is the diameter and that one is the semicircle. So here if DC is the diameter, so here the radius, that means half of 14, that means 7. Okay, so now area of semicircle, area of semicircle drawn on CD as diameter. Okay, so that one equal to here pi by 2, r square means here 7 square. Okay, so here pi by 2, 22 by 7 by 2, here 7 square means 7 into 7, so 7 cancel out, here 11, that means here 77 centimeter square. So here area of the shaded portion, that one equal to, you have to add the area of the rectangle, that is 98, plus the area of the semicircle 38.5, and then subtract this area, that means 77, and that one equal to here 59.5 centimeter square as your answer. Now the next one, number 2. In number 2 here, in the figure 2 given below, O is the center, okay, of a circle with AC 24, okay, AC 24, AB 7. So AB here 7, and angle BOD, okay, 90 degree. Find the area of the shaded region. Okay, so here in the triangle ABC, here in the triangle ABC, by Pythagoras theorem, you can write down BC square is equal to, here BC is the diameter of the circle, so that is 31, and here this one is 30B. So here BC equal to, you can write down AC square plus AB square. So AC means here 24 square and AB means here 7 square. So that is equal to its root over 625. So that is equal to here 25 centimeter. Okay, so diameter equal to 25, that means radius equal to here 25 by 2, 25 by 2 centimeter, and that one equal to here you can write down just 25 by 2 centimeter. Okay, no problem. Now the area of the triangle ABC, that one equal to half into AB into here AC. So that means half into 7 into 24. So here it's 12, 12 7 84 centimeter square. Okay, and now the area of the quadrant. Here the area of the quadrant COD, that one equal to 1 by 4 pi r square. So 1 by 4 into 3.14, here 25 by 2, then again 25 by 2 centimeter square. Okay, so that means here you can write down 122.66 centimeter square. Okay, 122.66 centimeter square. So now the area of the circle, area of the circle equal to pi r square, that means 3.14 into here r square means 25 by 2, and then again 25 by 2 centimeter square. So that one equal to here 490.63 centimeter square. Okay, So here the area of the shaded portion. Shaded portion means first you have to write down the area of the whole circle here. Okay, then you have to just add, you have to subtract this portion, the area of this one and this one. So area of triangle and area of one quadrant. So that means here the area of the shaded portion or shaded region. So as here 490.63, then minus here area of the triangle is 84 and then 122.66 centimeter square. So that one equal to here 283.97 centimeter square. So here your answer 283.97. Now one thing I just want to inform you, the answer in your book it's wrong. That is the right answer. Okay. So now let's move on to the last problem, sum number 31. This is the last sum for this video. So guys, if you like my video, please share this video and please subscribe my channel. So here in 31, in the figure 1 given below, ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter. Okay, so here side equal to 14 centimeter. ABCD are the center of the equal circles which touches externally in pairs. Find the area of the shaded region. Okay, so as here first you have to find out the area of that square. Okay, first here you have to find out the area of that square. So here area of ABCD, that one equal to here 14 square, that means 196 centimeter square. Okay, so as here 14 is the side of the square, that means here this portion, let's mark it in the purple color, this one is the radius. This one is the radius of each circle and which is half of the side. So here the radius of each circle, that one equal to 7 centimeter. I repeat, the radius of each circle, that one equal to 7 centimeter. So now as here you have to find out the area of the shaded portion. That means first you have to find out the area of this quadrant. Okay, that means this portion, this purple portion. First you have to find out the area of that quadrant and it's the 1/4 of the circle. So here area of each quadrant, that one equal to 1 by 4, then here pi, then r square. Okay, 1 by 4 pi r square. How many quadrants are there? Total 4 quadrants are there. So multiply with 4. So here 4 cancel out. Pi means 22 by 7. R square means 49. Then 7 cancel out this one. So here 7 to the 4. 14 carry 1 and then here 154. Okay, 154 centimeter square. So here the area of this red portion, you can easily find out the area of that red portion. So it is here the area of this quadrant, that is 4 quadrant, not each, it's 4 quadrant. So that means here you have to subtract this one from 196. So here area of the red portion, that one equal to 196 minus 154, it's 2, here 4, so it's 42 centimeter square. Okay, and now here you have to find out the area of this green portion, this one. Okay, this is the 3 yes 3 by 4th, the 3 by 4th of a circle. So here area of green portion, so that one equal to here 3 by 4, then pi means 22 by 7 and then r square means here 49. Now how many green portion are there? Total 3, sorry 4, this one and this one. So that means here again you have to multiply it with 4. So here 4 cancel out, then that one equal to 21. So 21 into 3, okay, sorry, 21 into 22, that one equal to here 462 centimeter square. So now you have to find out the area of the shaded portion. So here the shaded portion means, that means the area of the green portion plus the red one. So 462 plus 42. Okay, 462 plus 42, it's 504 centimeter square as your final answer. Now the next one, number 2. In the figure given below, the boundary of the shaded region in the given diagram consists of three semicircular arcs, the smaller being equal. Okay, that means this one is equal to with this one. If the diameter of the larger one is 10 centimeters, so definitely this one is 5 centimeter, and this one here 5 centimeters. So the radius of the smaller one equal to here 2.5 centimeter. Okay, the radius of the bigger one is 5 centimeter, radius of the smaller one is 2.5 centimeter. Now calculate the length of the boundary. So for the length of the boundary, first you have to find out the circumference of the bigger one, then you have to find out the circumference of this smaller one and also this smaller one. Okay, so that is the length of the boundary. So it's very easy. So that means here the length of the boundary will be, first here write down the circumference of the bigger one and its half circumference. Okay, so that means here 2 pi, pi means here 3.14, and in that case here r means here 5, then by 2. Okay, and plus then the 2 into, as here 2 semicircle, so 2 into circumference of the smaller one. So smaller one means pi, pi means here 3.14, here 2.5 by 2.5 by 2, and here into 2. Okay, so now 2 cancel out here, here also 2 cancel out, so that means here 3.14, if 3.14 common, so here 5 plus here 5. Okay, so that means here 3.14 into 10, so here 31.4 centimeter is your first answer. Now the next one, you have to find out the area of the shaded region. So as here this area is equal to with this one, so you have to just find out the area of this semicircle. Okay, area of this semicircle, as here radius equal to 5, so that means area of this semicircle here, so area of shaded portion, its semicircle means half, then pi r square means 22 by 7, r square means here 5 into 5. Okay, so that means here 3.14 into 25 by 2, and that one equal to here 39.25 centimeter square as your answer.